friends, hope you are doing good. So today we are in Sector 5 and we are starting off with our new show, the much awaited show, The Retro Pub Story. And about this show, like we will cover 10 episodes of 10 different outlets, 10 different places in Calcutta where you can go and you can enjoy your time. And starting off with this outlet, which you will get to know after seeing the intro. So we'll request you कि आप intro देखो and then we will talk about this outlet and we will visit today. So let's roll the intro. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हमें रिफाइनरी 091 में जहाँ चल रहा है संडे ब्रंच एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू कवर दिस ब्रंच एंड बात करेंगे इनके शेफ से, शमीम दा से, एंड टू सी ऑफ द बारटेंडर्स लाइक हाउ दे हैव क्यूरेटेड दिस ब्रंच. सो फर्स्ट लेट मी शो यू द प्लेस, जो प्लेस जहाँ ब्रंच होता है, संडे ब्रंच. एंड या दिस इज द प्लेस रिफाइनरी 091 where you will get the Sunday brunch every Sunday from 12:30 to 4. So let's move ahead and let's see क्या क्या है यहाँ. So first we are here at the refreshing counter where you can get Millet Sarbat and coconut water and Aam Panna. And I think during this heat, during this summer, this is the best thing you can have before food or any time. So So next on we have the omelette session where you can get various type of omelette, and here you can also get the chart counter. We have the Tibetan counter where you can get veg and non-veg dishes, which is live made here by the chef. So सर जी ये कौन सा डिमशम है?
ये वेज है.
ये वेज है मतलब.
ये नॉन वेज.
एंड ये रेड क्यों? बीटरूट. Okay, so this is wheat dim sum. So next up, like starting off with Hanga Hunga thing, like here you'll get avocado and American corn. This is basically the corn mixed with avocado. And for health conscious people, you will get sprout. You will get old fashioned potato mustard, the nut and the flash. So you will get lots of seeds here. Like it's one of the perfect for health conscious people. In non-veg you will get spinach, cucumber, tomato, egg salad. And if you want too much protein, you can get healthy chickpea salad. It's good for healthier, like who are health conscious, and after this pandemic, every other people are becoming healthy. So you will get different types of salad, big salad also. These are the salad you will get to start off your brunch with. And then we will roll on to Vietnamese and Japanese cuisine, where you will get sushi, veg sushi, assorted salmon sushi, which is like veg and non-veg both. and you will get Vietnamese summer roll, which is veg, one which is veg, and another side you will get Vietnamese fish roll. So like you have got option for both vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Like they can enjoy their Japanese as well as Vietnamese food in both non-veg and veg manner. And then in terms of Chinese platter, cheese platter, sorry my bad, you'll get different kind of cheese. ये हम शेफ से पता करेंगे चीज़ों के बारे में, चीज़ के चीज़ों के बारे में. So these are the cheese which you can have, a bit fat but yeah, some of them are really healthy. And then moving on to Mexican thing, you can get crunchy enchilada cup in non-veg, veg. You can get vegetable tortilla cone. You can get mezze platter. Moving on to Indian thing, you can get dhokla sandwich. You can get creamy beef on Melba toast. You can get burger, and you can get small tiranga sandwich. So yeah, starting from Indian to Japanese, Vietnamese, all sort of cuisine you will find here. And this is I think just a tidbit of starters. Starting off with main course, you will get assorted tandoori breads, which is a regular tandoori bread. You can get Jaipuri aloo pyazi sabji, which is aloo pyaz sabji in Rajasthani style. You can get veg biryani. Moving on, you can get Mughlai dal, kabila, Mughlai dal kabila, and then you can get spinach and corn cheese kofta. So basically kofta made of spinach and cheese in it. Then the roasted vegetable, pan roasted vegetable. Then baked lasagna. Then you can get my goreng noodle. I think this is a rice noodle or something kind of. I don't have much idea, but still, you can get it. Then you can get tofu, masaman curry. So it's really looking delicious. Then it's steamed rice. Moving on, in non-veg you have fish and Thai curry. So this is a fish in Thai curry. Then you have grilled jerk chicken slices. This is a chicken slice. Then you have mutton banjara. So you can have both veg and non-veg option in your main course. Last but not the least, you can get lots of dessert here. Tres leches. I may be pronouncing it wrong, but and another one is pineapple upside down. So it's like it's a cake, I would say in Desi language. But yeah, I guess you can understand much better if you are food loving. Then you can get blueberry cheesecake. Then you can get red velvet cake, which they have named red velvet sandwich. And then kesar pista sandesh. Sandesh is all favorite in Bengal. And then you can get lemon and lime tart. So all the vegetarian stuff is there. All the vegetarian, basically people do use eggs in their sweets as a dish. Like some of the pudding do involve eggs, but here you can get all vegetarian. So starting off with drinks, they have their in-house beer, the IPA, the Helles, the Belgium style wheat beer. So this is beer sangria. You can get lots of brands: Grey Goose, Gordon, Bacardi. And then they have their in-house beer. which you can enjoy most. Like this is a unique thing which you won't get anywhere. The teas are different from different breweries, and microbrewery is in trend right now, so you can enjoy your favorite beer here. So hi chef, like first of all welcome to our vlog, and thank you for curating such a wonderful cuisine here and giving us the opportunity to visit here. So let me ask you a few questions. First of all, like what is the whole concept about, like a brunch in a club or a bar, like in a nightclub? So how you will justify this concept, like where people ideally look for a 5-star hotel or a fine dine restaurant for this particular brunches and all? So how you will justify your place for the people, for the consumers?
Nowadays what happens, basically people try to find out a one-plus solution. So basically refinery is already famous for everything, like the clubbing, the place or everything. But for a food, like we just come out with a very versatile one, and we'd like to continue this brunch for a longer time. It's not just like doing on a winter time and just like after that we are not doing it. So we are just upgrading this brunch concept like for all over the year, and we are giving a class food, a 5-star kind of food, to this place. The main reason behind is that whoever would like to come to a place, they just find all the solution in one place. That is the main motto to have it. Having said all of this, every week we have a different brunch. So basically we have almost like 7 varieties of brunch. So every week on a Sunday we just play one and another one. So eventually for a 7 days, like if you come after 7 weeks of Sundays, then we just find the same brunch one again. So we'd like to have it like all the time, your people, we are expecting to experience something new. And of course our brunch is combined with all of experiences. It's a global cuisine what we follow basically. So you'll find a versatile of continental, versatile of Indian, versatile of Asian, and at the same time a lot of street foods we are playing with. So right now, like today we do have Panna juice, we have a Bele Sharbat, like which is called Oud Apple Sharbat. Then we have sushi, we have momos, we have dim sum, and a wide varieties of Indian buffet with the main courses, and at the same time with the Asian and continental. So this is all about, and hope for the best things are coming soon, and lot of new things altogether.
And one more thing, chef, like a food with a drink, it's a like wonderful combination. But to have that combination, you need to think very well. So, like with beer, what kind of food goes well with your own, with the wine or with the champagne? Which kind of food goes well? If you can say us about that, so that will be great.
So that is like we are very recently launched our brewery and everything. So we are serving 4 varieties of breweries. Those are very famous in Kolkata. At the same point of time, we would like to create something which is like as an accompaniment with that beer or like drinks. So as an example, we have a muesli curd, which is like serving with a champagne. We have a skewer fruits, which is like tempered with a tequila shots. Then we have we call it broccoli and muesli balls. So this is like a more of nutrients, but it always goes very well with any sort of beer or wine. Because normally in a brunch time, people prefer for a beer or like wine. And if somebody wants for hard liquors also, we always accompany with so many things. Like we have a lot of canapé style things. So the motto is not to give you a very hard, very heavy things, but at the same time it always accompanies your all the drinks and food all together.
So thank you, Chef Chanchal. Like thank you for your time, and thank you for giving our consumer, our viewer, a good example and a good way to have their food in pair with liquor.
Thank you very much, and I just welcome you all, and I'm really grateful that you all come and visited to our place, and it's just like broadcasting it, and hopefully a lot of people will appreciate it and wish to see a lot of people
Great, thank you. So you can see amazing crowd here. And this is all the setup for brunch, Sunday brunch, with some awesome music by the DJ playing there. So Sunday they have Tune Refined, which is an acoustic night. And all the details about the brunch will be given in description. So Shamimda, tell us about this brunch.
See, this is Sunday. We'll be having brunch and beyond. Every Sunday we do from 12:30 to 4. We'll be having different variants kind of menus where we do every Sunday, along with little funky music, which is from the DJ console. And because of this brunch we are doing, we have our own craft beer, so you can enjoy our craft beer along with our beautiful brunch with the variations of food. Come out, enjoy your brunch, try out. Cheers.
And since Holi is coming, what's for the Holi? Like, what's for the crowd in Holi?
See, Holi, we're doing a pre-Holi bash on 26th. There's a very big Bollywood singer is coming, who is Ash King. So please come down on 26th.
Okay. Great, Samimda, and have a nice day ahead. So friends, that was the episode 1 of the Retro Pub story. And अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक करना. एंड अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करना. एंड यस, ऐसे ही वीडियो लाते रहेंगे. एंड यस, on 26th there's an event in Refinery again. Ash King is coming down to groove you, to make you dance in his Bollywood music, with his Bollywood music. So yes, stay tuned and watch out for the space. And yes, till the time, stay safe, stay healthy, and yes, keep rocking. Bye bye.